Want to see exactly who is subscribed to your YouTube channel using just your phone? The default YouTube app actually hides this feature, but there's a quick workaround for both iPhone and Android. Here's a fast way to find a subscriber list. First, skip the regular app and open your preferred web browser. Type in studio.youtube.com. If a prompt asks you to open the YouTube Studio mobile app, decline it and stay in the web browser version. Once your dashboard loads, scroll down until you spot the Recent Subscribers panel. Tap on See All. And you'll get a detailed list of your recent subscribers, the exact date they subscribed, and their own channel subscribers count. Keep in mind this will only display users who have explicitly set their subscriptions to public. It's that easy. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.